Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? Oh boy, where is that coming from? Uh, oh no, there is an email. There is something going on here. Hang on, I'm gonna go blank real quick. 1 second. Because there's some stuff coming through. I have too many windows open. Oh, I don't know that over there. Jeez. Okay, not that one. I can close that one. You guys don't need to see my tax information, right? Is this one a singlet? Yes. How can I allow people? Oh, yeah. That one made no sense. Okay, got that one done. Oh, I'll leave that one up. Okay, where is that coming from? Where? Sorry, guys. I'm hearing myself twice, and you guys are probably hearing me twice. Let's look here. Let's look here. Do I have to scroll down? Go away. Finally found me. Blah. Okay, sorry. Let's go back to here. Okay, this was the problem. This lovely thing. It should be muted, but it's not. But it's not. But it's not. But it's not. Okay, so let's go off of there for a minute. Okay, so we left off trying to get things connected, and there were some things I skipped, some things I didn't want to go into right then and there because I'm gonna change. I've thought about this for a while off camera, and I'm gonna change a bunch of the stuff around, but not right now. But first, let's see if we can see what else we need to fix in the functions, because excuse me, there's not actually all that much, I believe. This we got to change here. So actually, let's change this. Let's work on this show Twitch live function. This is the thing that's causing me issues right now. Let's do this. And actually whatever. Okay. Okay, so we don't need that. So what this does is this goes through our list of channels and it pulls their Twitch channel name, and then it creates what's called a div. More work! Yes, welcome in, Starlit. I will probably jump over to the Inner in about 50 minutes after the reboot, because I'll go fix that issue, and then Starlit, I can show off what you've done, because I haven't even looked at it yet. So so yeah, sorry, taking a swig of water there. All right, so okay, so this is the code. This is the gobbledygook. I know I'll like it. Don't worry about it. I know I'll like it. This is the gobbledygook that makes the Twitch show up on our homepage. So if you guys, like I said, if you ever want to see who's online and you don't have us on Twitch, well, you can go on Twitch and you can see it there. That's okay. We gotta do what we gotta do, and not completely accurate, but you gotta do what you gotta do with the whole limitations of our friendly Minecraft. All right, so it takes a look at the active channels, creates this div right there, and it actually right here, whatever, it creates this thing, and then it goes through and it creates this player that you all can see. And again, if there are multiple of us streaming right now, I'm actually surprised Miss Dragon isn't right now. You would see multiple streamers right here, and you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to use multi-Twitch. You don't have to do anything like that. You can just use our website, which is super cool. I gotta talk to Lee. Let me hang on. Before I forget, I want to send Lee a message. All systems are locked, so they cannot be changed, but they can be destroyed. Well, let's not do that. Oops, that's my Discord. Oh no, you guys can see that I deleted people's messages. Darn it. That's fine. I want to message Where's Lee real quick. Hang on. Oh gosh. Where's... he forgot... Oh gosh. With the lag and stuff on my computer, it's being a butt. He forgot to add his latest video to the playlist. And just a little friendly reminder, because I don't want him to miss out on any accidental clicks. Feel bad for destroying his builds, but Mika wanted to. Oh no! That's okay. That's okay. Alright, so we're gonna go off of there so you guys don't see yourself multiple times. Oh, this is so ugly. This is so ugly. Just saying, this is so ugly. Okay. Let's break and fix this area here. Okay, so so we go and we get this. We don't care about this anymore, so this can just die. All right, so now we need a we're gonna call this one Show Twitch Live My SSQLI. No, is that how I was doing that? Hang on. I want to keep myself consistent. I may not remember it in the moment, but I always want to go and grab it. So I did the capital M and the lowercase rest. Okay. Again, keeps things hopefully more readable. DB Connect. Perfect. So we connected to our database. Oops. Helps if I put an equal sign in there. All right. So then we're going to do a EU consistency. I know, right? Who does consistency? All right. Next, we're going to probably get rid of this whole thing because we don't need it anymore. I love this. Because again, we did this whole thing where we don't have to worry about certain things, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, because the database we're using instead of this flat file, it actually makes the code shorter, which is great. Okay, so I'm going to write it after this because I want to. So we're going to call this show Twitch live query equals select. Okay, I'm going to have to pull up this again because I need to remind myself what the database looks like. I'm a genius, but I am not that good. No. But I do like to have things up so that way I know what I'm looking for. So, for example, oh, player. Okay, player does have an active. Whew. Oh, she is still not doing great. Starlet is asking how my pup is doing. So a puppy, older puppy last night threw up all over food. Which I'd like to say is unusual, but sometimes it happens. And then since then, she hasn't eaten anything. Got her morning pills in her, which was good because those are her life necessity pills. And we actually up them when she's not feeling good, so she got her extra dosage. She was shivering uncontrollably earlier today. She wouldn't let me put a blanket on her because, of course, she's stubborn. I love my dog. That's the puppy. That's the younger puppy right now. Let's see if she gets up. She's in the other room. Yeah, okay, they're not going to bark anymore. The mailman's walking the beat. Anyway, and so she was shivering uncontrollably. Then she got a good sleep. She got a good probably half hour to an hour sleep, like twitching, everything. And she hasn't been shivering since, so I'm hoping that means that she's over this little hump. So we're going to give her some special food tonight, which she loves to death. It's rice with cottage cheese. I mean, come on, who doesn't love that? Seriously. And then I'm hoping by tomorrow, or I'm hoping she eats. If she eats tonight, great. If she doesn't eat tonight, I will be worried all night again. Oh, and she kept me up all night, by the way. I should also mention that. Anyway, so I'm hoping she's on the mend. She's not shivering anymore. I'm hoping that's a good thing. And I'm hoping that she's going to eat tonight with her fun food. And I'm hoping that we're over it and not have to worry about it. Oh, hear that deep bark? That's the little one. There's the big one. So she's probably on the couch standing up barking. And all day she's been laying down. So this is also a good sign. She's obnoxious. Come on. There we go. See, that's her. That's her. So I'm glad she's barking. Okay. But thank you for asking. I appreciate it. Okay, so we are going to select... Okay, so let's go back over here. This is where this database thing becomes really, really cool. So first of all, if you remember from just a second ago... Sorry, I'm smiling because she's barking. The Show Twitch Live only applies to active content creators. Hopefully that makes sense to everybody and their brother. We're not going to necessarily promote inactive content creators because, sorry guys, you're not active. Duh. Again, hopefully that makes sense. So first we have to look at this table of the players and say, who's active? So that's where this active button comes into play right there. It's really tiny. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger for you. Did you hit the right button? No, you didn't. Sorry, that was really obnoxious. Okay, so that's where this active comes into play, is that when they're active, then they show up on this thing. Cool. So we get our users here. Then we need to go to Twitch. And we need to say, okay, now we need their, comparing the active player IDs with the usernames and pull those in. Cool. You know what? We're going to add someone. We're going to add someone to this one because I need test data. Right now, I've got myself, I've got Jurassics. We need to pull someone else into this database that isn't active as a content creator. Got a couple such in mind. We're going to pick on the one and only Eleni because I'm hoping she'll be back soon. She's working out some issues. I haven't asked details, so please don't ask me. If you want to ask her details, go for it. But that is her thing. I'm not going to intrude because that's me. That's just how I am. And she knows that. Okay, so we are going to put a new person in here. So to do that, we go insert up at the top. This is how easy this is. So this OID, we don't touch it. We're going to call her Eleni. Okay, that's how that works. Primary YouTube name, let's just go grab it. I think it's Eleni94, or is it just Eleni? I think she's just Eleni on YouTube. Let's find out together. Here's her YouTube channel. I will need that. Well, okay, she's just Eleni. Love it. So we'll go back over here. Eleni. Active, we're gonna set this. So active is called a Boolean. Fancy word for saying true or false. I know I've gone over this before because I said my lovely little TORF thing and I got some giggles on it. So that's true or false. 1 is true, 0 is false. All right, so I'm gonna go, you can't see this, I understand this, but I'm going over to the old stuffs and I'm grabbing that. There we go, boom, done. And it also gives me her Twitch, which is great. I need that for a second later. Did she give me her Google? Nope, she did not. Eleni. Time zone, GMT. Country, Scotland. And that's it. Boom. That's all we're doing. Because again, I need help, you guys. I need help. All right. Okay, so we're putting her in here. Poof. She's ID 3. So then we go to Twitch and we add a new one. And the POID is 3. Twitch username is Eleni94, 1994. Boom, done. YouTube's. I'm gonna grab her at Eleni. Oops. We're probably, everyone's gonna switch over to that, so let's just be honest. Okay, she's again, excuse me. Don't fill that one in. She's Player ID 3. Her YouTube channel is at Eleni. Her primary channel, yes. Her playlist. What? Huh? Wait a minute, I'm confused. Something's not working here. Okay, let's go to Eleni's channel. She doesn't have an Interrums playlist. Oh, she does have an Interrums playlist. Why do I not have that? I apologize, there's going to be a video playing here in a second. There we go. Should be gone now. Why don't I have...
Hello, my little souls ones, and welcome back to the channel. Got quite a few things planned today.
There's Eleni's voice there.
Eleni, Tigers, here, now.
And that's King Cubsy, and he does...
Go away. Sorry, Eleni. Turning it off right now. Okay. Okay, so we're back to here. So that's her playlist. Channel name is Eleni. I should spell one of those wrong, actually. Yes, okay, so that is all that should be needed there. Clicky go. Why? Okay, I'm looking at a problem here. 1 second, sorry. Where is... Oh, it's in the other file. Okay, sorry. Okay. All right, so then if we look at this, now if we go to browse, you'll see... Shut up, dog. That's my little one, sorry. He just walked in the room and just went boof. Okay, so we got Keegers, Jurassics, and we can check here. Keegers, Jurassics, Keegers, Eleni. Boom, done. Okay. Twitch, she is right there. Ironically enough, 3 and 3. Makes sense. And then, excuse me. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, she didn't give me photos. Where is the photos? Okay, someone who gave me photos. Did Cubsy give me photos? Are they here? Hang on, I'm trying to find. See, this is where all this will now be like in one spot. So instead of me going back and forth to 3 different files, I thought it was in the bio though. Thought I kept all the player like bio information in the same spot, and it looks like I did. So let me go to myself. Bio. Yep, okay, so she didn't give me one. Neither did Cubsy. Cubsy! Okay, alright, sorry. Okay, so now we're going to write this fancy select statement where we're going to grab certain information out of this thing and compare and contrast like we did the last time where my brain actually worked. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to work this time, but we're going to try it. Oh, that's right. We built it into, excuse me. We built it in here. Let's do it in here. Okay. SQL. So we can build it right in here. Ooh. I forgot about that. That's how we did it. No, don't drop your phone. Is it okay? Did it die? All right. So we're going to run a select statement. We are going to select t.twitch from player as P and Twitch as T, where p.active equals 1 and wait, what's it complaining about? Hang on, I'm gonna write this all out, then we're gonna fix issues because it looks like I've already got issues, so that's fine. There was alias was previously found. Yeah, just okay. Hang on. We're gonna keep going. Okay. So we're saying where the player is active, and p dot oid equals t dot player OID. Okay, so they're active. Now we're saying, okay, from the active people, look at the player OID and make sure it matches the Twitch player ID. Okay. That's it. That's it. So to read this way. Again, it kind of makes more sense to do it a little bit backwards. Hang on one second. Oh, what does this one look like? I like that you can hit expand and you can do the columns. Excuse me. And username. So this should actually be t.username. Okay, and then these should be like this. Okay. Those look right, but I'm still getting a little error. So I'm actually gonna go. Why smooth the way she is, man? Please stop eating the entire bag of chips at once. Oh, I am unfortunately the same way. You put like something in a bag that's gonna be near me, and it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, so I actually had a coworker once, and I love this story. I had a coworker once where he said, the very first day I met him, he told me, if you bring in a bag of candy or treats or anything like that and put it, because we had our desks were literally touching, and bring it in and you put it next to me, I will eat the whole thing and I will beat you up for it because I don't need that stuff in my system. I am totally the same way though. Like I shouldn't have done it, but I got myself a big bag of popcorn, not like the poppable stuff you get. Like I went to the gas station, got like a party size bag of popcorn, ate the whole thing already today. So there's that. This is why I have issues. Okay. Sorry, I'm comparing things as I'm talking and I'm not seeing why I'm getting an error. Oh, there's bad plan. It's not and, it's comma. It's comma. That's why. See? Yeah. Okay. So this should give me, if I did it right, this should give me a list that just says Keegers 02, Jurassics. If I did it right. Go. Oh, I have a problem. Oh, no. Okay. So it's the single equals. I hate that certain systems do double equals and single systems, or other systems do single equals. So here's in the other programming language using. So this is called SQL. This is the SQL programming language that we're manipulating here. And its comparison is like the regular 1 = 1, right? So like P active equals 1. So that's exactly what you're looking for. Whereas in our PHP and the other stuff where I switch screens to, it uses a double equals to say compare the two. Because if you say something equals something, that means you're setting it equal to. So think about that more like variables in algebra. So like x = 3. So it says, oh, it's that single equals. So x is a stand-in for the number 3. Whereas in this one, it's different. Gotta love it. Click. And again, I'm not doing things the greatest. Boom. Done. Got it. I like this also, this select statement, because it's all we have. We don't need anything else. No variables, no nothing. It's just going to go plop right in there. And I can take that out actually. Boom. Okay. So that is our query. I already make sure it works. I love it. I love when I can do things like that. Okay. Excuse me. So then we can go up to, see again, you've heard me say this like hundreds of times. I don't reinvent the wheel every time. If I've got something that I've already used and it works, I'm going to go copy it. And then we just change the values a little bit, just because that's why I do these things, is to keep it kind of consistent. And okay, that's it, done. Okay, so now we need to we need one more thing. H-I-J-K. Okay, cool. We need one more thing. Okay. Now, I was just looking and I have it sorted by name. That way, I can't be playing favorites with anybody. Just because King Cubsy is at the top of everything right now because he's the first alphabetically doesn't mean I'm trying to like kiss up to him. It means that he's first alphabetically. That's how this works. You also notice that Dinius the Genius is a second. Again, not trying to like play favorites. D is next. E is Eleni. So when Mika changed his name from Dracolis to Mika, well, guess what? He should jump down the list. He currently doesn't. That's a problem. So we're going to fix that when we fix the website. But anyway, looking at this right here, alphabetically, I am after Jurassics, right? And I am lazy, and we're going to make SQL do that for me, so I don't have to put in any other coding into my lovely thing to make it more convoluted. So then we can just do order by t.username. And then we hit go. Bam. Now Jurassic should be in front of me. He is. Perfect. I just wanted to run it in here to make sure I'm doing things correctly. So I'll jump back over here. And I'm literally pasting it again right here. So that, just adding that, again, gets rid of learning alphabet. Yes, absolutely. You got count with key gears, you got learning alphabet with key gears. So this whole thing here is eliminated by this line here. This line right here is eliminated by this line here. So far, I'm eliminating code left and right. So I'm just gonna delete this. Just gone. Bam. Look at that. And we can go bam. Okay, so now here's the other issue. This is wrong. I need to remember something right here, and I'm blanking. So, excuse me. So we are going to... Oh gosh, I think we did it before. Again, all this green I need to get rid of. Actually, it makes sense. I need to leave it alone. Ooh, on a laptop now, huh? Sorry, I am reading things because I am trying to find out if I've done this before. It looks like I have not, which is a problem. So we are going to be relearning something really, really quickly. Excuse me. He's thinking, precious. That voice, I tried it. I've been trying to do Golem, but it doesn't really come out as Golem / Smeagol. It more comes out as Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. But it's kind of hard for me to find Golem. I'm trying to remember even the difference. Where were we doing? Sorry, we're way below this. Okay, so this is just fetching one name. See, the problem is that we're going to have, that I'm trying to remember, is this part right here. So this part right here, which is super cool, is really not going to change much, which is awesome. Because reasons. We're just going to replace... Anyway, I will explain as we go. But right now what I need to do is I need to go through this result. So this result looks like... Let's go back over here. This result looks like this. It's got username like this. Blah. But that's not how you do it. And I'm trying to remember how to do it. So we're going to go over here to my favorite website, php.net. We are going to go and do MySQL, not affected rows, get, or fetch object, fetch array, fetch associative array. No, that doesn't matter. Should just be fetch array. Yep, and then it's going to take me to the right one, because this is the wrong one. All right, and then we're going to go over here, and look at that. Boom, this is what I need. Excuse me. And I think it's even going to give me an example of what I want. Nope, okay. Okay. So let's jump back here. I have acquired a Chalky. Ooh, what kind of Chalky? Sorry, I'm trying to remember what I want here. This is oh, KitKat. Ooh, nice. Nice. Okay, sorry. I am blanking here because I need to run that through. So this for each should let me take... Oh, is that it? Am I being... Yes, I'm being stupid. I'm being stupid. Okay. I'm being stupid. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say, not the procedural style. I know you guys can't see this, so I'm going to type it out here. Don't worry about it. It's going to all be right there. For each STL result, come on, as member, oops, no, fetch, yeah, fetch underscore array, it shouldn't matter. Doesn't matter at all, actually, because there's not... That's spelled wrong. That's why that's not right. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to type this out before I explain it. Okay, so what we're saying here is for every time that... I love that you can get different things, but every time that this result, which is right here from this query, so we're querying it, it looks like those two rows right now with Jurassics and myself in that order. Every time that this array can get something, I want to do something, and that something is going to come out as this member. Okay, what does that mean? So then I can take all this out. Sorry, I'm looking at what we can take out. So then this, good morning. Good morning, Enzyme. Enjoy your breakfast. So this, okay, so every time that there is something in that array, or that it can get an array from the result, it should bleh that out there. So that's what that means. Okay, so it should do something, and it should come through as member. So, okay, next, what am I saying we get rid of because my brain jumps ahead 17 steps instead of actually following along with the code? Well, what we can do is we can actually get rid of this that says if the array exists with Twitch 1, we have to do something. Well, guess what? We already know that these people have Twitch accounts because that's what we're grabbing here is their Twitch account. Just saying, that's all we need to do. Sorry, I do that sometimes so you can actually see the whole thing on one line. So this whole thing can go the way of the dodo. Ready, set, bye. Ready, set, bye. Bye. Oops. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do is just for consistency's sake, we hit Shift Tab to make things on one line. Boom, done. Okay, so now what we need to do is the Twitch name is actually, it's not member, it's member sub 0. Dot 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 dot. Twitch dev. What do we call Twitch? Oh, okay, yep. Twitch options are being defined right there. Excuse me. And that's it. I just finished it. That should be it. Because of the way that I built this before, I don't have to change much. I just have to use those variables that I created, and because I'm super lazy and made it so that this is that, I don't have to change anything. I'm tempted to change it, but that's okay. So now, how do we see this? Let's do a refresh. And how do we see this effectively? We actually have to go into the gobbledygook behind the scenes and see how this changed, because we should still see my computer being really slow, and it should, oh, look at that, we've got problems. Undefined variable query on line 131. What happened? Whoa, what happened? Actually, it should be up here. What's going on with line 131? Oh, query. Oh. Ooh, okay. So we do have a problem. That's okay. That's okay. This is why we do a test site right now. Okay, there we go. No more problems. Woohoo. So now it should, in about 30 seconds, should go through, and I can see it's still loading up here, and it's still loading because I'm live. And it should be popping up the stream any minute now, but we're not going to wait for that because I'm lazy. So we're going to do this thing called Control U. You can also do, if you've got an Apple, it's Command U, whatever. And we're going to search for, actually, we're going to search for the words Keygers02 div. Oh, I can't spell it right. That's okay. I don't have it. Why don't I have it? Look, it's not working. Oh, okay, that's a problem. So something didn't work right. Oh God, look at all that errors. Just ignore those errors. We're getting there. We're getting there. Everything's broken. It's fine. It's fine. Do we have the word Twitch? Live streams on Twitch as well. Player embed. Okay, there it is. JDiv. All right, I've got something funky going on here. It's only pulling the first letter of the first name. That's weird. It should... Oh, it's really broken. Just don't worry about that. I'm actually confused by this real quick. So, if you... That index, that 0, was the beginning of this, what should have been this array. So it should have been looking at Jurassic's key. Oh, right. Whatever. Perfect. It works. There's Jurassic's. Here, let me switch. Let me switch. Here is Jurassic's, and there is Jurassic's twice. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I'm doing something wrong, but we've got Jurassic's. Yay, Jurassic's is there. Okay, okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do. This doesn't make any sense, but four-letter word. What if I just did this? Wait, hang on. Okay, I'm gonna break this apart. I'm gonna put this up here. I'm gonna do this. That should work. We're gonna go here. We're gonna still look at that gobbledygook. I'm sorry. Oh, I'll show you what I did in a second. Sorry. But it didn't work because I'm still getting Jurassic's and Jurassic's twice. I'm glad that it's only coming through twice, but okay, we need to do something. I'm gonna jump back to the code. Okay, so what I did was this lovely little fetch array thing here. I pulled it out of this and I put it up here trying to say, what's going on? Do something. So instead we're going to do a print r stl result and then die. Sorry protocols, but that is the name of the thing that we're doing. It is called die. That is the name of the command. I could use the word exit, but I am so used to saying die, it's fine. Okay, all right, so that's not what I want. Save. The 2 rows, perfect. That's what we want. We want each row. Sorry. Where are we looking at? Sorry. It's a brief moment of happiness from the key gears on its back to head scratching key gears. I know, right? I'm sorry. In about 15 minutes, we're gonna jump on IR because we're gonna go fix the head thing again because I have to fix it every time the server reboots, and then we are going to take a look at some stuff that's been happening because Starlit is amazing. So how's that sound? And we'll go to something else. And then I'm only streaming for an hour and a half after that. Probably an hour after that because wife should be home and we've got to go vote and get food. So, crud. Okay, so then for each, excuse me, that should have worked. Yeah, I know. Mika posted instead of, telling me as you guys are there because I would have fixed it right away once I get logged in because it takes like 20 minutes for my machine to log in. Probably should start that login process now. I'm not exaggerating, actually. Okay, I want to finish this and then we'll go jump to IR, which will probably take that whole amount of time that I'm talking about. I want to finish this part here, which will actually finish the whole thing that we just did. Crap. For each snit, I am forgetting. And there's an N in there. I didn't say a bad word. What are you guys seeing? Yeah. Yeah, it's something with my, so I accomplished all that with a resource pack, and for some reason the resource pack won't load when the server reboots, and it's really annoying. I think I have a totally brand new way of doing it, other than the way that this other guy was telling me to do it. So when Troj can get me the access to test new resource packs, I might ask one of you two for help. And yeah. And then we'll get it straightened away. I might have to reboot the server. But if it's just me and a couple of you guys, whatever. I'll try not to do it when anyone else is on except for myself, and I need someone else. I need someone else's help because it works in creative as myself, but that doesn't tell me anything. Okay, sorry. The row is that. Yeah. This is the row. So the result is this. Okay, I'm typing on the other screen. I understand you can't see it. I'm just not gonna push anything through because it won't matter. Oh, wait. Oh. No, that's why. Oh, that's why. That's why. Okay, that's why. We can't do the array. We gotta do a fetch object, I believe. Let me look at this real quick. Okay. This one. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna hit refresh. we're gonna go over here, we're gonna hit refresh. Undefined property result fetch object. That is absolutely what that should be. Come on, Kiggers, you got this. Oh, right, because it's not a property, it's a function of that property. I had the wrong. Yes, that should work. Okay, so okay. Let's jump back over here. Whomp. So I should have that as my sound effect. So okay, we are going to, instead of fetching the, okay, let me actually jump back over here because this is what tipped me off as to what the problem was. Let's go back. Okay, so when I did the fetch array, remember how I said there's two, think of a database, the output as like an Excel spreadsheet, okay? Exactly, no, you're completely right, Enzyme. And I've got a better way to do it, hopefully, so it doesn't do the triple thing. There's a whole bunch of fixes I have, which is great. Okay, so this is what I was trying before, is this array thing, and what it was doing, it was grabbing each of the rows. So again, think of it like an Excel spreadsheet. So it would come through and you'd have cell 1 or 0 being Jurassics and cell 2 being Kiggers. Well, that doesn't really work with how I want to grab it because I don't know how many, it's a lie. Without doing more work, I don't know how many rows of the spreadsheet there are, right? You know, someday I'd love to have 50 people on as content creators and I would just love it, right? That would be the ideal situation. Will we ever get there? I don't know. 20 would be great. 20 consistently would be great. That's me. Anyway, so that's where this thing comes in. I don't know how many we have. The program doesn't know how many we have. I'm not going to hard code it. We want to just be able to something out there that just says, oh, we don't really care. We're just going to do it. So that's where this comes in. So now we jump back over here. So instead of grabbing the whole row, we're gonna grab an object, and an object treats every row of the Excel spreadsheet as something unique. So just like an Excel spreadsheet, I wish I could like I want a drawing thing. Just like this says username here. Well, when I go back over here, now I'm going to say as member, and the Twitch name now is member with an arrow. I think it's username with double quotes. I think that's how we do it. No, it's not. It'll tell me. It'll give me a warning if I'm wrong. Okay, so now let's get rid of the die. I shouldn't need that anymore. Save. Let's go back to the code. We'll refresh it. And then we'll need to find the Twitch. Where'd it go? This is wrong. This is it. This is wrong. It only did it once as well. Son of a bee. Oh, okay. What did I do? Oh, there is an error. Attempt to read property username on string. No, line 136. So this is saying that this is a string. It's not a string. Member die. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the other thing. You guys can't see this. I know it's really hard to jump back and forth. It does say Jurassics. Okay. And then it's only reading it once though. For each. Sorry, excuse me. Why is it only saying Jurassics? That is wrong. So that's fine, actually. But it's not fine because it's only pulling Jurassic. It's not pulling me. Oh, come on, Kiggers. You know how to do this. What is the issue? You know how to do this. You know how to do this. Curious to what PHP code does. Oh, I love that. I love that. Love that for you. Okay. Oh, snit. Let's go back to this. Sorry, I was messing with things on the other screen. Okay. Go. I don't know if it's gonna like the... It did. Okay. Come on, Kiggers. You know what the issue is. You know what it is. You know how to do this. You've done it literally hundreds of thousands of times. Probably hundreds, actually. Probably thousands, actually. For each. I could just do that. Fine. Okay, we're going to do it a different way. I hate myself for doing it this way because I want to do it elegantly. It's not working elegantly, so we're going to do it this way. Okay. We are going to get the... All right, we're going to do it this way. We're going to do... Is it count? I think it's count. Yeah, it's count. All right, so we're going to do a count of how many thing in its array. And we're going to... It's going to be... So there's a different for loop. There's for and there's for each. So for... Oh, God, I hate myself already. For... You have to set it up. So I is going to be our iterator. So we're going to do I equals 0. For I strictly less than, oops, I is, oh, come on, there we go. Okay, I is less than this, and then, $i plus plus. Okay, so let me explain this real quick. So what we're saying is for I. What does I mean? I means absolutely nothing. No, I means iterator. So we're going to start at I, and we're say starting with I equals 0. And we're going to go, oops, from I to strictly I being less than the count of how many things are in this array. How many rows. Okay? So again, I don't know how many rows there are. There could be 1,700. I don't care. I want this to do it. Oh, and I missed a plus. And then every single time you go through this thing inside this curly bracket, I want it to increase by 1. Okay, so what does this do then? Hey, Thomas, how you doing? Shoot. I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this to... I'm going to do this. I'm gonna do this. Sorry guys, I'm gonna move this up here. There's a reason for everything I do, I swear. Okay, so now I move that up there because it makes a little bit more sense. So now the result is just the Excel table, the how many rows are in it, and then for this part here, we simply do $i. So that's gonna go through and say 0, 1, 2, 3. I know, right? And then save it. So now this should actually just work. Oh, broke it. Broke it good. Oh, I missed it. Sorry. It's supposed to be a semicolon. I didn't hit save. Go me. And then, okay, cool. I'm going to go back into the code. I'm going to jump you back over to the code of the website. And what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We still have problems, right? Did I just see we still have problems? We still have problems. What the truck is going on? Ah! Sorry, it got caught underneath my headphone jack. Okay. Okay, what is saying here? 34. Oh, this doesn't exist. Sorry. That doesn't exist. Okay, so now if I refresh this, this should work. Please work. Please. Undefined array Q1 on 134. It doesn't like me, guys. It doesn't like me. Like, seriously, it just... okay. What are we on? We're on that one. Okay. It is not pulling anything. It's not... hang on. Print underscore R. Sorry, we need to get this before I jump over. I'm really sorry. This is, if I get to one thing, I just wanted to finish this. Okay, that's what I want to do. And now my next door neighbor's dogs are barking for my other dogs. Okay, so what I did was I did a print of that variable, so now we can see it is only grabbing Jurassics. Why doesn't it like me? Yeah. Oh, they do it all the time. It's fine. They actually don't mind when my dogs do it. Okay, that's right. It doesn't like me, guys. It really, truly doesn't like me. Okay, so I'm going to go back on here. We're going to go to the SQL. We're going to make sure that Kiggers typed everything in correctly. And then hit go. And I'm getting 2 rows in this freaking thing. But when I actually query it on the website, it's saying, nah, you just got the one. You just got the one. There's no other one there. Save. Just in case that's being dumb. Yeah, it's just saying the one. It is literally just saying the one. It should be giving me... See how it's saying array 0 is Jurassics and username is Jurassics? I'm doing something completely wrong. It should be... And it's giving me 2 unironically because it's coming through as 0 and username. That is the issue. So this is still... for each... Okay, you guys, sorry, you guys can't see this. My neighbor's dog just barks a ton. I feel bad for the guy. Oh, they're inside. Ours don't a lot, which is nice. I got dogs on both sides of me, and the one to the north of me, yeah. She doesn't like it when her dog barks. She's got a German Shepherd, and she doesn't like that, and that's fine. That's up to her. I'm just writing some code because I need to figure out what the heck's going on. But the ones to my south, which is the one that I'm talking about, they got 2 little dogs, and they said that they appreciate it when our dogs come to the door and play, or come to the fence and play. So, excuse me, sorry. It's still not working. It's still giving me Jurassics twice instead of giving me the 2 of us, and it's again unironically giving me Jurassics twice because that is correct. It is Jurassics twice for the 1 row. There we go. Now I've got it down to 1. Okay, so now, but now why isn't it getting me? That's the problem. I'm gonna start GD Launcher so I can actually get Minecraft running. Now you're gonna watch my computer just cringe. It's great. They like it when our dogs bark to each other because they go out and play then and they run. My dogs are super cool. I don't know how I got so lucky. You can't hear it yet, Starlet. Just wait. I got super lucky with both of my dogs. Well, the older one is older, so she doesn't run very much, but the younger one is 80 years old by his nature. So he doesn't necessarily run anywhere, but he likes to run along the fence. He doesn't leave my yard, thankfully. He's left a couple times. Oh, you can? That might be the air. That might be the heater. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you can hear him. Anyway, and yeah, it's just it's really I'm very, very blessed and fortunate that they don't run out of my yard because I don't have a fenced-in yard. They just run along the fence of that one neighbor with the chain link fence to my south, which is super nice. I love it. Oh, makes me worried when my older dog eventually leaves us. I mean, she's 11. She just turned 11. So she's old, and I'm just worried for that next dog if if they don't pick up some traits of my younger one, who's 5, gonna be 6 this year. We're gonna need to build a fence. Oh, for the love of Pete, what am I doing wrong? I am frustrated right now, which is why I'm starting up Minecraft, because I'm just gonna keep going with Minecraft like I said I would. I want to finish this, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. Because I'm so confused. I'm just gonna go with... Okay, go... Sorry, Eleni, I'm gonna close you. Okay. For each PHP... MySQLi. It should be in this. Yeah. Oh, you... I found it. Found it. I'm annoyed with myself. Yep. 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 Okay. Here we go. Okay. So the problem that I was having is because I'm a Muppet. And this fetch array gets the first row of that thing. So instead, we don't want fetch array. Can we delete things, please? Thank you. All. We want to fetch everything. Fetch all of it. Fetch all of it, my lovely little program. So let me go back over here. We hit refresh, and now we should see. Now we should see. There it is. There it is. Now you can see that there are 2 more things in there that say Jurassics and Keegers. Thank you. Okay, so now we can go back to... Oh, you can't see that very well. Trust me, right there, it says array, Jurassics, array, Keegers. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this lovely thing. We're actually going to literally copy this, because this will work. We're going to paste it right into here, because we're going to go back to the way it was. Paste, and we're going to zip that over. Okay, and then this can all go away. I was going to say the word die, but I probably shouldn't. All right, so then now this result is here, and then now it is Sub-Zero because there is only one thing in the array, which is 0. And now if I refresh my freaking page, I'm going to jump back to the left screen so you guys can see what's going on. Click. you'll notice that it just jumped down because there's nothing here. And if I go back over here to the code and I refresh it, I'm gonna just sit here for a second. Come on. There you go. Oh, there it is. Keegers, Jurassics, done, and no Eleni. Rock on. It's still loading because it should be loading my screen. I'm just gonna wait for that to load, make sure I didn't screw anything else up. And then we'll jump into Minecraft. So thank you for bearing with me. It was gonna bother me if I didn't fix it, so congratulations. I don't know what that tune is, don't ask me. Come on. Any day. Any day. Sorry, that just my brain went because that's usually the notes or the tone that you use for chanting a goalie's name in hockey, and because you do that at the beginning of the quarter to taunt them a little bit. You're like, Keegers, 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 you suck. Anyway, I'm just giving an example. I'm not like taking myself down, just an example. But it just reminds me of some of the other interesting cheers that we were hearing. None of them are bad, and I because I love them. But like the typical cadence is da 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 clap, da 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 clap. Anyway, so there was say some words and clap, say some words and clap, which I think is hilarious. And then other cadence is da 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 ba, ba, da 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 da, with clapping there instead of me doing my finger drums. I know, right? That would be something to experience. I mean, especially the ones that I saw with the Queen dying. I thought that was interesting. I think it was actually in your neck of the woods there, Starlet. I thought that was interesting. Why isn't this loading? This is not making me very happy. What did I do wrong? But the one that we heard that I thought was hilarious along the same lines of say some words and clap is, we are chanting. We are chanting. I was like, are you serious? I love those. Back kinda. Spinny. I know it's spinny up there and I don't like it, but I'm going to assume that everything's working and it's just my computer being an absolute butt, because I do have this. I have here, let me show you guys something. That's how many windows I have open, and each of those windows has probably 10 to 15 different tabs open on them. Like you can see in that one that we got up here. I'm actually going to close this one because there's a no, it's not that one. What's this one? I'm so dumb. I can't believe I freaking. Yeah, no, it's not a bad idea. It's just I don't need this one anymore. And I was looking up directions how to make Humvee for Troj. Come on. How hard was that? I just Googled it in like 5 seconds. Anyway. Okay. So we are going to switch gears. Yeah, Humvee for outside of the whatchamacallit? The oh shoot. SG1, his big gates. I was like, you should put 2 Humvees out there. He's like, well, once I figure out how to make a Humvee. And I'm like, well, this took me 5 seconds to Google. They're the big military Jeeps, the ones that are gas guzzlers. Not as bad as tanks, but yeah. Yeah, exactly, Starlight, exactly. All right. Let's do this. First of all, I need to, where's that thing? Where is the thing that I do the thing? Starlet, I think you're a mod. Can you change the game? Or do I have to do that? I'm trying to figure out where that is anyway. Layout editor, studio mode. Oh, really? Studio mode. Yeah, I know, right? Go back. Where is that on here? It should be. Where am I? I can only do that when I go live? That is not true. I don't want my layout editor. Oh, is it up here? I found it. 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 Found it. Delete. Oh, come on. Minecraft. Enter realms SMP diner tour. There we go. Update. Done. Nope. Multiplayer. All right, we're done looking at Google. Let me hit a button here. I think I'm gonna keep it in windowed mode. Go over to Minecraft. Ka-chow! Hey, look at that! G-Portal just reminded me. If you are interested in a game server for yourself and your friends to play on, I highly recommend G-Portal. I am not only sponsored by them through the Innerrealms, but I am also a client of theirs because I also bought a G-Portal account for myself to play modded Minecraft with Eleni and maybe some other friends. Some of you guys have played Bingo with me. That's on my G-Portal server as well. You just kind of buy a stack of XP, or not XP, RAM, and then the RAM, you can make as many servers as you want with as many different games as you want. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the word reload. Really? All right, so I just fixed the problem with the thing. Done. That's how easy that is. It's just getting logged in that takes me forever. All right, let's wait for things to cool down. Gimme. No, gimme. There we go. All right, I'm going to do one thing real quick. Hang on 1 second. Sorry, you're going to see that disconnected screen, but I need to kill. The way I make things work a little bit better is I actually go into my task manager. Come on. There we go. I see you. And I kill Chrome. I kill Chrome, so then it goes up. Groups up. Nice. Okay, give me a second. Bam. All right. The reason I kill Chrome is then when I go back into Chrome, I can just use Control-Shift-T and boom, I am back in. And there's Starlit right there. How you doing, Starlit? But yes, Enzyme, you are correct. If you are still here, bam. I did not make you make all of this redstone for no reason. It's just, wow. There we go. You are muted in the game. I am muted in the game. Is that better? Then you can mute the other one. Wee. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yes, there is a reason for that. Oh, what is going? Oh my computer is still killing Chrome. I want to tell you, it is still going through and killing. I'm watching it as it's killing tabs, and it's not happy. So this is what's going on. Sorry, guys. When I do the coding thing, I need Chrome. When I'm not doing the coding thing, I can't have Chrome. So this is why we're going to just run over. Oh, wait a minute. Where'd these guys go? Uh-oh. Starlight's coming. No. Fly. Nice landing. Weren't there fishermen here? Or did they get killed? Right? There were people here. I don't think Charge cares too much, but oh well. Okay, hang on. It is still not. I don't think Chrome is behaving. There are other things I wish I could kill on this computer, but Chrome is definitely gonna die. Oh yeah, power usage very low. Alright, back to the game. Oh. There it goes. Now Chrome is dead. Okay, that's better. Okay. Let's go over there. Let's go see. So the whole thing is, welcome to Inner Realms. And Starlet, the person jumping around, who's an amazing person. Right there. Yep, there they are. Did some armor stand work. Woohoo! The diner. Is it gonna let me fly? I'm gonna try to fly. Nope. There we go. Troj said he's sad, by the way, that I tore down the blue monstrosity over there. Whoa. All right, here we go. Clicky. Oh, nice. I'm liking the cash register too. Love it. Love it. Oh, you did it so much more elegantly than Cubsy did. I'm just saying. Oh, that is so cool. I love the little pie. That is so cool. Okay. And so so the trapdoors had to be down first and the armor stands are putting the things on top. Okay. It's funny, the carpet up there makes it look like there's a big brownie on the top one. Oh, yep, and then you got it. You got Max and Caroline. Perfect. Random person. Random person. Nice. Sorry. Very cool. Very cool. I wish there was a way to like make those things fire perpetually, but that's not possible. You are so awesome. What do I owe you? You bought a cake. Okay, remember you get everything. So don't just take a cake. Take everything. Obviously, you don't owe me for the cake, but I'm just saying. Okay. Do I have 10 diamonds on me? I've only got 5. I will pay you shortly. Right over here. When you walk in the door, it's right here. It's right there. Oh, your prices. I was gonna say, but my prices are right there. 1 diamond for 1 stack in every barrel. Full meal. So you get your beetroot soup, potatoes, chicken, bread, pumpkin pie, cookies, and cake. All for 1 diamond. All right, 1 second. Now, the other thing I need to do, because I forgot that I did this, is I need to turn game sounds back on. Click. There we go. Game sounds! Yay! Maybe. Uh-oh. Enzyme's here. Run! I do need to do something back here yet. Need seating. Bought a meal the other day on my birthday, so I had cake. Nice! Yes, outdoor dining. So, like, I'm thinking at least 2 tables out here, maybe a 3rd one. Yeah, that'll fit, like a 2 wide table. That'll work, right? And that can't be dirt, but that's another story. And then I'm gonna not put boats here because they'll get destroyed anyway, but like probably some fences to make it look like a dock. Big boat? You mean bigger? We could do bigger. Oh, is that just the road over there? What is over there? I'm confused. Oh, there's a donkey over there. Okay. What's the brown thing? The mud. This is new, isn't it? The mud is new? Oh, good. I'm glad he put a shop over here. Thank goodness. So this is miners. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is miners. He went, yep. Sweet. Jack. I understand Jack. I don't understand sweet. Don't get it. Okay. Okay, I don't think... Oh, great. Come on. There it goes. Oh! Hey, I do have diamonds for you. Yeah, my connection's good, but it's still lagging. Come on. Okay, what can I close on my computer? Oh, I got timed out. No! Because of a coffee shop that was called Sweet Arse Coffee. Nice. Okay, so over there. Okay. Wait. What happened? Oh boy. Let's try that again. Click. Click. Oh boy. This is going well. Wow! What the heck? What is going on over there? I'm blaming my computer first, but like, dang. I know, right? Wow. Okay. Yay, diamonds! Okay. Okay. Oops. It is. Now it is. Thank you, Starlight. Thank you. It is now. Wow. Okay. What the heck's going on? I'm just gonna chill here for a second, see if it improves any. Because before it was showing me as full when I got kicked out. Uh-oh. Starlight is walking on things that make pretty noises for them. Right? Getting a blank stare. Yeah, huh? Yep. Oh, it's still very poor. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect to reconnect one more time, see if this fixes it. Because this is too low. One more time. Okay. Of course it's gonna say full. We're gonna give it a second. I did break it. Hey Doylan, how you doing? I break everything. Don't worry. My goal in life is to break no. Oh, nice. Or should I say, oh, ice. Oh, you know, wanting to restart the year. Oh, me too. Me too, friend. Oh. Hey, End, how you doing?
Good. Hey.
Okay, cool. Well, another shop. That'll be good. Did you get much sleep last night after the storm? Did it go through and not ruin your...
I didn't even notice the storm.
Oh, Starlight did. They were up. Why? I guess the texture's cool, but...
Where is it? It's right.
So who's making all of the... I know, Cubsy wanted the switches on all the lights because he wanted them hidden. Uh-huh. Okay. Doylan, if you're not at work, you should come join us. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Ooh.
Maybe
What's
go
up with your
stare at
FPS?
ends. Huh?
What's up with your FPS? You're getting worse than I am.
It's
Nick,
always...
shopping district.
It's always that bad, man. What is my FPS right now? Let's look. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I always forget where it is. Should be at the top. Oh, 41. Let's run. 28. 8. 6. Oh, yeah, right. 5 since Starlit, decided to fly past me. Yeah, it's really bad. It's just... I don't know what's up with my machine. I've even got like the settings turned way the truck down. And you can tell I'm frustrated.
Minecraft runs pretty well when you close off the stream, does it? Or is it
No.
like this all the time?
Yeah, it's pretty much junk most of the time. Oh, excuse me. It's a little better, but it's not like I'd write home about it better. But I was supposed to go to caves. Whoa! Yeah, okay, sorry. The tunnel didn't load. I was like, did you guys add to the tunnel? No. No, you didn't. It didn't load, and all of a sudden there was, whoop.
Like, we've closed it off as in
Yeah.
adding, but not actually add.
Yeah. Doylan, I have Minecraft running explicitly on my good GPU. And my good GPU is a really, really good GPU, actually. It's just, I don't know. Maybe it's Windows 10.
Everything else isn't as good.
Yeah, maybe it's Windows 10. Actually, it's a decent... The machine specs aren't terrible. She was a gaming machine that's 10 years old? 10 years old. But... I have Discord, VS Code, Streamlabs, GD Launcher, and Minecraft. I could close VS Code. Alright, what am I at? But VS Code should be doing literally nothing. Chrome is killed, so it's doing nothing. I killed it. And where the heck is FPS again? There it is. 26, 32, hut hike. 6, 4, 8, 22. Yeah, it's the same. Mika wanted me to stop by and see if my FPS improved, and yeah. Okay, and the rest are running off the CPU only. Chrome was running off of the GPU, because I thought that might make a difference. Actually, I can look. Gonna make me look. Gonna make me look, because I have it all on the thing. Visual Studio, Streamlabs. So VS Code is running on the GPU, and I put Streamlabs and Minecraft on the GPU. Still, nothing that should be taxing it, because the GPU is a... Oh, what are we? What am I sitting at? I'm only using 25% of the GPU's power. That's it. It's not like I'm pegging it out. Yeah, it's 32
Have you
gigs
tried
of RAM.
upgrading the RAM?
32.
Like the allocated RAM for the game. Have you tried that?
Let me double check. I think it's up to 8. Manage. Excuse me. We're at 8.
8.
Yeah, I shouldn't need more than 8 gigs to run this. And I'm
Maybe
only
it might be
using
something to do with your drivers.
it's an old machine.
maybe
There aren't any
drivers
drivers, so maybe the next upgrade to this machine is instead of Windows, it gets a Linux. We'll see. We'll see. Because actually I could run... I wonder if I could do everything on Linux with this thing. Obviously you can run Minecraft. OBS is cross-platform. Streamlabs OBS isn't, but I won't lose sleep. What is going on here, guy? Oh, McDonald's is gone. Why is McDonald's
yes,
gone?
We're in between upgrades.
Okay.
Even the
Upgrades.
mushrooms are gone as well.
Yeah, well, that's really, really sad.
Well, it's going through puberty. It's got to be getting a glow up.
Yes. Because
The whole walls are going to be put around from what Mika says. And, well, everything's just going to be put behind the walls, apparently. And we're just going to have, like, plots of houses in between the walls. So it's going to look like a town type thingy.
Here, I'm trying to jump up there and I can't. I am sad too. Make me happy again. Puppies, kitties. They're really, really cute when they're on their back and rolling and fluffy. Think of puppies. As long as you're not allergic to puppies. Okay. Cool. I like the...
I'll just start. If Mika didn't tell you already, we've got new plots for you to build houses on.
I think they knew that. Yep. And if you guys haven't seen,
More
check
to
out...
come in the future.
Check out, I think it's still Dracolas89 on YouTube. They have shorts of these walls being built, which is pretty cool. Is the... I'm intrigued. I'm moving on. What happened to, I'm in the wrong area, I'm sure. Lee's
You're in the
tree.
industrial area where my
No.
multi-farm and sculk farms were at.
Oh, jeez. Hang on. Oh, I was looking for Lee's tree.
Oh, it's above.
It's a...
Go towards the portal where you came in and then go up.
Oh, right. I'm impressed I can fly. Just saying. Ducks in a line. Quack, quack, quack. Because again, if you guys aren't watching these lovely content creators and their awesome videos, you should be!
Yeah, Mika's called McCullough89 on YouTube as well.
Is he now? Did they update that?
Yeah.
Either way, go to the website, click on Mikala. He's still at the top, which we will fix. Because he shouldn't be at the top. Axolotl. Wee. Ow. How tools. So cool. Oh, and then the bee farm's back there. That's right. I forgot about the bee farm. Yes.
There's a bee farm? What?
You didn't know about the bee farm? Yeah.
I knew we had one somewhere, but when I was free coming around, but I didn't know how to get into it.
Welcome. there's a yeah. Yep, it's right here. He went all the way up and around. I went straight forward. Aw, just poppies, Lee? Seriously? Man, those bees. At least add some color, like, right? Do some different flowers in here. Jeez. No, I'm kidding. It doesn't matter.
Barrel by barrel. Couldn't you have at least ran something that picks it up underneath him?
Like a dispenser system that then puts them all into one spot for you, so you don't have to go barrel by barrel.
Yes.
Yeah. All Lily of the Valley. Nah, Starlet should come through and put Starlet flowers all over. They say yes.
Don't tempt them.
I know, right?
They just looked at you like, I bet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I know they did. I saw. Yeah, I would totally do... They would lose their names?
Yeah.
Oh, because you
Yeah,
plant
place
them?
it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could totally
That's why I've got
do
my lighted frame.
everything down. Yeah, I just... yeah. I'm agreeing with you. I would do a dropper system into water, and then the water flows to one side and be done. Kind of like what I want to do with... What? What, my mic? What? 3? I'm confused. What did my bike do?
Peaks.
Oh, it's peaky? Oh, I'm sorry. I will move it away from my mouth. Hang on.
Okay, Voldemort.
Is that better? Oh, I don't know if it's better because I am way over here. What was I saying? I don't remember anymore. I was confused. Oh, hi. I'm being chased. And Startle's doing the die kill. Alright. Cool. I completely blanked on what I was saying. Oh well. Man, to expand this way or make like a beautiful lava feature on this side would be awesome.
I don't know what's the plan with that dragon thingy. Is it?
Yeah.
You'd have to ask Mika.
Well, he had the whole dragon at one point. Oh, hello. That's pretty good flying job there, huh? Well, one day
Well,
the Ask Mika job should become just do something. Just do it. Do it. Like, I had someone tell me they don't build things on Inner Realms because nothing feels like theirs, and I wanted to be like, so make something yours. What, go fly off in a direction and just build? Yeah. Yes, that is the answer. Itchy. I'm not gonna answer that. How's that for an answer? So is it peaky just on the in the group chat? Now you got me looking at things like that. Wait. I did not group voice settings. Yeah, it sounds incredibly different. Really? Because the gates and filters I have put up for Streamlabs are different. I'll mess with that later. Because I know I've been told it does sound very different. Anyway, what should we do, guys? What should we do? What should we do? I don't actually know. I'm just doing what I was told, and also, Starlet Doylan says he has a supply of your alliums in the shop. If you missed that. Because his area is chock full of all that stuff, and I'm like, you lucky dog. I say, if Doylan hops on, I kind of want to go see his improved design of my flower shop. Because every time we build it, we build something better. Which is good. That's the point. What the heck head is... Whose head is that? Or is that just one that Mika bought? It's not Nalani. Interesting. Cool. What should we do? I actually have no plans on Underelms. I have no idea. Just as player head? Yeah. Even if you take it down? I didn't want to take it down. Okay. Then yeah, it's... He bought it. Okay, we're gonna ditch him. No, it's not Mito. I'm pretty sure he bought it at the shop. Ooh. Oh, there's sales here. I don't have a replacement. I do. Oops, wrong one. I should use those. Inventory management time. Hang on. Since now things are working. See, it just took me getting kicked off, what, 17 times plus a couple... Oh, I know what I should do. I know what I should do. Whee! Ow! Place plant on the wall. That's what I should do. I should go grab, I think it's 7 shulkers. Oh, hello. I don't have 7 empty shulkers, so I gotta go make 7 empty shulkers. No, you got 6. I have unfortunately used for all 7, so I'm not wasting them, I swear. Oh, jeez. There we go. Oh, gosh. What are we looking at? Oh. Excuse me. It is amazing how much time flies when you're A, coding, and B, on Minecraft, because both of them have tedious jobs to them, and oh my Lanta. There we go. Doylan, have you beaten the dragon yet? Wrong one. We'll have to do that one day. Since, you know, we've got all these things. I said 7, and it's 2 per. Also, did you vote? Did you vote? Go vote if you have not voted. Where are you in the water? Oh, Starlet, have you been in the secret grotto over here? Oh, the banner room? Yeah. Do you know where the secret grotto is? Oh. Hang on. Let's go. Follow. Sorry, the door closes on its own. I didn't mean to slam it in your face. This way. Jump over the fence. I lost you. There you are. Yay! Secret grotto. Kind of wish we could somehow have bubbles, but you know. Oh, what? 3? How did you hurt yourself? Are you trying to replicate the somehow that I did thing? Because I am not in the water, am I? But I'm swimming. Oh, I love it. Bath time, exactly. Yeah, I don't, because you can't have... I mean, I thought we could... I could do a couple. I was thinking we could do a couple, whatchamacallit, fires? Campfires underneath, but you don't want to do too many of those, because then you get more lag. But this is an Eleni creation. She made it early on. Go ahead. I see what you're doing. Go for it. This is why there are interior design people, and they are amazing. I'm trying to be better at being one. I don't think Eleni knew about the right-click trick. And this was early on before we had our spider farm. And for those of you playing the home game, with glowberries, you can right-click on them and they age up all the way, Doylin. So when they will no longer grow when they are there. Until someone comes through and picks all your berries and then they all die. Or then they all get grown again. Oh! Wizardess Donna, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Come on in. Tell us a little bit about yourself. I'm Keekers. O2. I am a primarily Minecraft streamer, but I was doing a little bit of programming before this, and they all suffered through it till we got to the Interrealms SMP. So this is our lovely little grotto, and that is my friend Starlet right there. Sure. Have you seen the freaking thing right now? It needs this done to it, and yeah. They weren't all over. They weren't everywhere. I had just a couple. Anyway. I'm gonna head over to the shopping district and empty out that area. Excuse me, so I can wait, I'm not, sorry. Words. I don't need to bring any freaking wood because I have all of the chests I need over there. Yeah, you did place them everywhere. They're still placed everywhere. I still love our gas farm, Doylin. You did a great job with that. But that is done. And that is done. One of these days I need to have a Hunger Games stream where I'm just gonna go over there and keep working on the Hunger Games. Did you guys get your trash to treasure collection point? Yeah. Dear monkey. We have like 3. Nice. I miss what the same was about. We just go over there and work on Hunger Games. Be a very chill stream. I feel super bad because that was like planned before the whole minigame district, and yeah. Nope, sorry. Thank you very much. I should really take that one down because I am, well, I'm at a standing desk. So, but I will hydrate. Thank you. Why are my alerts not working? Oh, wait, because it looks like the bot's not working either. But thank you, Wizardess. I appreciate you. But currently, no, I've got, we've got a member of our SMP. His name is Blind Cubsy, who's working on a lot of that stuff for me. And I appreciate the offer, though. Oh. Yeah, Cubsy. Which reminds me, I need to sit down. Maybe this weekend I'll do that. I'll sit down and do a recording, going through and comparing, merch shops. There's the words. Sorry, the words were not coming to my brain. Did I only grab 7? Why did I have 7 in my brain? That is... That's 6. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Yep, Doylen's here. Welcome in, welcome in. Excuse me. Do. Okay. That can go back in there. Why do I have so much rotten flesh? Someone should have told me I have too much rotten flesh on me. Okay. Y'all ready for this? I'm not, because I should brag about my axe. Okay, am I just a big... Okay, I know I'm a big nerd, but, like, seriously, I went to go grab up my axe, and my head went, Axum Rangers! Which is from Mario RPG. One of those amazing games that if you haven't played, you should play it! Hi, would you... Okay, fine. Okay, well, actually, we gotta take down the thing here. Did I get the... Yes, I got it. What are you looking for? Oh my good grief. Hang on. That is not... Okay. Really what? Go away. Here, I'll do it this way. I didn't bring enough shulker shells. Because my brain is dumb sometimes. Oops. How else would you do this? I'm just saying. Okay, I fudged up. Because I only brought 7, and it should have been 6 double chest, 12. So I need 5 more shulkers. And I didn't bring any more shells with me. So I'll be right back. So how's everybody doing today? I hope this stream finds you well or relatively well. My Streambot is not working, apparently. Yes, but I will make you replacements then. I need 5 more. Ow.
Okay, I think I got it set up again.
Hey, it's Doylan Voice.
Hello. Let me know if I'm too loud or too quiet.
You're fine. You are just great. But as I was saying, my bot's not working, not reminding me to tell you guys that you guys are all awesome. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Even that guy that's talking right now, he's trying to talk that I keep cutting him off.
Okay, what?
Yeah, that one. There you go. and Starlit, take a look at my screen real quick. This is why when you're saying that you have shulkers, I understand. So do I.
Are you in your treasury?
Oh yeah. I want, my goal is to fill it up. That's my goal. Welcome back, End.
Yeah, sorry about earlier. If you could hear the phone call.
You're
That's
okay.
why I muted it. But...
Yep. I was gonna say something and then you muted. I'm like, okay, he knows. We're good.
Oh, I went into the voice settings and did mute, but for some reason the microphone unchecked. I was like, wait, no, that's not right. So I just muted the mic.
Fair. It's all good. It's all good. Again, that's why I have keyboard shortcuts. Except I don't... I really... Well, Doylan knows.
Really?
But I really want that new Elgato, or not Elgato, Stream Deck with the button, with the rotation knobs and stuff like that for editing.
Oh yeah, the newest Stream Deck.
Yeah, I want that one. But that's not happening this year, so congratulations to that.
Yeah, I'm at an impasse for what I want for my birthday because there's so many things that I want to get and so little money.
Fair.
Little money is definitely the issue.
Yeah. Well, between the pup that's sick again, costing me $2,500 at the beginning of the year, and then this Muppet didn't hit submit on his taxes last year, so I now owe $600 more in taxes from last year. So that's another $2,200 that I need to come up with in the next 3 days.
Oh,
Yeesh.
I've got it. It's fine. I'm just annoyed with myself. Okay.
Like the worst case is you could tap into your retirement fund.
No. What? What'd you do?
No, why not?
Because I can't touch that.
You can't touch that?
Correct. Ooh, we got sales. Did you buy stuff? Thank you. It doesn't quite work that way.
It depending on the retirement company
Correct.
can.
Well, and
I did buy scaffolding. If that's what's.
well, Starlit said they did. So is there more? I'm just checking.
I bought like 2 stacks.
Nice. Well, good. That means I don't need as many. We both did, I think. Nice. Well, thank you guys. Makes it all worth it.
We
Okay.
don't have bamboo, and we didn't have scaffolding. I was like, how do I get up?
Here.
And I
Present.
didn't have the energy just to break blocks again. To go down.
I don't know where the thingies went, so they're all yours. Well, good. I'm glad. I'm glad they're coming in useful because I'm always afraid with this. That's why I took the inventory down to just those barrels because I'm like, no one is buying enough of this stuff to make it worth having. Was it freaking 12 double chests of stuff? That just it's stupid.
Well, that's because not enough people are shooting other people.
Oh no! I'm talking about the scaffolding.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. The
Because
totem is
everyone's
up on
just
dying as
uses
well.
blocks.
Right. Well, you gotta be more like Jurassic. He says he just puts them up and doesn't take them down. I'm like, why?
Yeah, I was gonna say it's the reusability that kind of ruins the sales.
Well, no, he apparently just puts them up and never takes them up. Whatever, he's a Muppet. There
Well,
she
to be
go.
fair, a
There
lot
they
of
go.
these things
Swimming.
are very
Mhm.
built very complex, and he kind of leaves them to get to access.
No, he's just told me he's just lazy. He just leaves them in
That
place.
too.
But yes, the totems need to be selling as well. I'm not disagreeing with that.
The amount of deaths that happens on this server is resounding.
But it's not enough.
Only by this guy.
Yes.
But
You
yeah,
would think, out of everyone, Miko would be the one to have a totem. But no.
I don't believe he uses them. He also doesn't use
No, he
scaffolding
doesn't.
because he doesn't understand how to use it. I cannot make any of those sentences up that just came out of my mouth, just so you guys are clear on this.
I've given up on Miko when it comes to, how does this work? I'm like,
See, I did my trial and error with the scaffolding with the
Oh, yeah.
tower.
Yeah, I trial and error.
I figured out how to make it work.
Even since I've used it, I still do trial and error because I'm like, okay, I screwed that, putting that one in that spot, so it's got to go here. Okay, got it.
Right, all of a sudden you're going horizontal when you want to go vertical. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, you just get screwed up occasionally.
yeah, that's what I had the problem with at the first. I was like, okay, how do I make this go upwards? It's just going sideways.
Yep.
And so, okay, I'll place on the other side. Oh, okay, now it works.
Seriously.
Like everyone had that problem at the start.
Oh, yeah, no big deal. Again, I still have that problem. Is what I'm saying.
I still have problems with repeaters. Are they facing the right way? No.
No, that I don't have a problem with. There's an arrow on them. I see them. I see the arrow. That one?
I'm glad there was
an
a way
arrow
to
on
make
it?
that
I
turret.
always thought there was just a curve.
On the repeaters? No, there's an arrow.
Yeah.
On vanilla, there's an arrow.
Where?
It's the whole thing is a giant arrow. It's a giant triangle.
Oh.
Yeah.
I never noticed that.
Okay.
I thought it was just
Yep.
a weird curve thingy.
Nope. It's an arrow. There you go. Helpful hint right there. Did I just break the wrong one? I think I did. Sorry.
Just
Yeah.
to make us all feel stupid now.
No. Teachable moment. Not meaning to make you feel stupid. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, cool. Oop, that's called caps lock. Don't want that on. Ow. How did you hurt yourself over there?
Oh no, because I said it'd make us all feel stupid.
Oh,
And it's like, ow.
no. Okay. This needs to go back in there because this needs to be cleaned out. This needs to go back in there. Oh, I did? How?
Oh.
I'm like 2 feet from my microphone. I don't understand what's going on. I'm sorry.
Okay. From now on, we
Yeah.
just call him Naku. That peaks.
It's got to be because you weren't peeking on the stream, but you're peeking in
Yeah.
the game a little
For
bit.
us.
Yeah. I'll have to
Yeah.
look at settings and stuff. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that obviously live on stream. I feel like 90 as well. I'm sorry. Sorry.
What's that supposed to mean? You don't want to hear Keegan's?
I don't care. Nobody wants to hear me. It's fine. Anyway,
He doesn't want to hear himself.
Yeah, no, dude. Do you not understand how hard it is for me to edit podcasts when I'm the person talking? Oh my god. Ugh. Is that my phone? That's my phone. Okay. Me, censorship. Right? Exactly. Exactly. No.
Oh, I'm not wearing armor. That would explain why I just took nearly every damage under the sun.
What was that? Sorry. Ooh, look at that. I've got more spam. Sorry. I am looking at who to raid because honestly, I'm going to end stream. I'm not going to get off of here with you guys because I appreciate you and I want to hang out until my wife gets home. But I'm going to be done with streaming because then it's not like all of a sudden, oh my god, my wife's here, I gotta go. Click. So, not that I've ever done that before, ever.
That's a lie.
It is a lie. God, who do I want to raid? I don't know.
I don't think there's anyone really to raid.
I've got a couple. We'll be nice to Iondis. So I will raid Iondis. So thank you guys for being here. Actually, I'm going to do my outro because I should really do that. Come here. Because then I can actually, when I edit this thing, you do an outro. That would be a thing to do, wouldn't it? Yes. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate the fact that you guys hung with me through that programming gobbledygook. Thank you. And hopefully one day we'll have a new back end for the website, so then I can have things that are spiffy and special for those of us that have multiple channels. Anyway, thanks again for Starlit for making those amazing things in the diner. Yay. And yeah, thanks for all of you for hanging out. Anyway, let's go raid. /raid IONDIS007. She's a pretty cool Minecraft streamer if you guys haven't checked her out yet. Intended for mature audiences. What is she streaming?
Ooh.
Minecraft. Okay.
Thank you.
What? 3?
Ears.
Was that a sneeze?
What? Me? What'd I do? Was it me? I'm sorry.
Bro, you broke her ears.
I'm sorry. That wasn't a sneeze. That was nothing. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to. We'll have to talk after stream. We'll talk after stream. Okay, bye. Rating. Bye.